Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on eBay. I'm going to bring in the other store too. This is Popeyes Postcards on the screen, and I sent some offers out on the airplane ones and got some nibbles over there. So as you can see on the main store, I broke the $100 mark again, 2 days in a row, I think. 12 orders, $116. And again, the caveat here is I am just letting eBay coast. I'm not listing anything new, haven't for months. I'm putting all my efforts right now into the whatnot auctions. So yeah, 116 bucks, 12 orders. This is Morristown, New Jersey, Gillespie's Tower. I'm not sure if this is like one of those shot towers where they would take the lead up to the top and drop the little lead, molten lead, and it would make little droplets, and they would use that for shot. So, just if you've never seen, do like a YouTube, Google type search for shot towers, and it's kind of interesting how they used to make shot. So I don't know if this is one of them or it's just a tower. I don't know. $5 for that one. This is 1959 Indianapolis 500 Motor Speedway race champion Roger Ward. Come across these pretty often, and these old 1950s, 60s cars sell really well. So about $10 is the average. Some are a little bit more, some are a little less. This is Maine Band Rustic Theater at Underwood Motor Camp. I think this came from the York Postcard show from last November. $9.99 for that card. Oh, real quick, this is going to Slovakia, I think. It was, yeah, I think that one's going to Slovakia. I thought that was interesting. This is Patuxent River, Maryland, Main Gate entrance, Naval Air Test. It's a Naval Air Station. It's a test center. Pax River is what they call it. $12 for that one. I like the main gate cards. They always seem to do pretty well. Next is Patriotic Decoration Day in Memoriam to Unknown Civil War Soldiers. So pretty much a Labor Day, Memorial Day type card, $14.99. Next is Titusville, Pennsylvania, St. Joseph Academy, 1910s. I know this one did come from the York postcard show. Yeah, and $9.99 for that card. 4th of July, July 4th, Eagle, Liberty, Bell, Clapsaddle. I believe this is attributed to Clapsaddle. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it is. $9.99, and this is going to the United Kingdom. Now is the time to get your 4th of July cards up if they are not already. This is an old postcard, New Jersey, Asbury Park, scene on the beach. Been up for, again, 7 to 9 years. $6.99 for that card. And there's the back. Next, this is Advertising Postcard, Los Angeles, California, Northridge Pool Equipment Company, 1950s. And that sold for $6.99. Next is Galveston, Texas, Island Boulevard Peninsula Car Ferry Boat. So I definitely needed to clean my scanner when I scanned that card. $1.99. This came from the auctions of last year. Have a whole bunch of these. First one it sold. This is Columbus, Ohio, Port Columbus and Terminal Building Airport. $6.99. It kind of looks like has the linen type of look to it, but it's a chrome postcard. Another one that's been up for 7-8 years. And the last one under the Spinach Eater Popeyes Postcards is Casper, Wyoming, Standard Oil Refinery, 1920s. Looks like it's trimmed across the top. I don't know. It is horribly trimmed. I don't know if nope, I did not note that it's trimmed. So, oof, that's horrible. That may or may not come back. Hopefully someone took a quick, we know how everybody looks at the pictures and reads the description. So it says as is. Hopefully someone deduced that that is trimmed, but $14.99, I have a feeling that's coming back, which that's fine. I did not disclose that it was trimmed. So that's the Spinach Eater Popeyes Postcards. Over on the Airplane Postcards, I sent offers out. It's been pretty much a ghost town over there. Again, I have not been listing. You list, you sell. Simple as that. But I sent out a whole bunch of offers. So 7 orders, $60 over on Airplane or Plane Postcards. I had some other nicer orders come in over the night. That doesn't sound right. From a buyer in Germany, and those will be in probably Monday's video. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is NASA Space Shuttle Orbiter Columbia on 747 transport at Kennedy. So I probably have hundreds of these. Sold one to this guy, and another guy came in and bought 2 more, and then I just relisted, I think 20 more or something like that, maybe 10. This is Airplane Postcard, Avianca, Columbia Airlines, Boeing 727, Medellin, movie photo on these plane. Best cards I've found so far are the airline issued cards. We've talked about those before. The ones that are also selling very well are these movie photo cards. I think I've talked about those before, but they're a consistent seller. So the same buyer bought that one. They bought this one. Same airlines, same airport, just a different view. $5.99, and they bought this one also. Same airlines. It's Boeing 720B, and again, it's a movie photo also. $5.99. And then here's the other NASA orbiter. Said they bought 2. And then someone came in and bought this one. This is another, this is SAM Columbia, but it's also a movie photo. And this is like some of the first cards I listed, and I didn't put movie photo in the title. That should be in the title. And it says I've sold out of these, but again, I probably have another 30 of those cards. And then 8x10 black and white. This is MAC, which is Military Airlift Command C5 Galaxy C-141 Starlifter. So there's that. And it had a little blurb that came with it. $27.99, and I sent 25% offer, so whatever 25% off of that is. So doing okay. That's 170 some odd dollars. So that's it. No video tomorrow. I'll be in Fisherville, Virginia at an antique mall. Hope you like my background there, and I'll see you all later.